Hi guys, my name is Rahul and I'm a third year CSC course student at BIT Vellore, and this video is all about how can you get Coursera courses for free. So before starting, this little trick that I'm going to share with you is not against the Coursera policy, or it's not a hack. It's just a kind of a method provided by Coursera itself, not many people are aware of. So I thought of sharing it with you, and if it's helpful, do hit the like button, and let's start with the video. Let's suppose we want to learn Java, so we simply go to the search bar and search for Java, and we get this amazing course by Duke University called as Java Programming and Software Engineering Fundamental Specialization. So this course has around 4.6 ratings and around 3 lakh people have enrolled, so it's a nice course basically, and it has around 4 courses. So there are two ways of taking it. First is either you can enroll and like pay the entire course fee, and which will basically depend upon how much time do you need to finish. Or what you can do is you can click on this financial aid available, this link, and it will then kind of ask you to which course you want to apply to. So let's suppose, for example, I need for course 1, so I simply click on it and click on the next button, and then it shows that the application will take 16 days to be reviewed. Just click on continue to application, and this is the important part, which is basically you need to give a basic information about yourself, like what's your highest level education, what's your annual income, what's your employment status, which is I think student, and why are you applying for financial aid. So you can type your answer in about 150 words, and if you want kind of hints or something, you can just type this question in chat gpt and can get a sample answer, or you can search this question on Coursera as well. You'll get some answers, and then you can modify it according to your own need. So yeah, after filling all this form, you can simply click on next button. Now this step 2 is the most important part of this video. So you will be asked how much can you pay for this course. So you can either go for 0, which is basically free, or you can pay 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 300 rupees. So I'll suggest that you are taking a, like, suppose 5,000 course, so it's not ideal to go for 0 rupees because it's not good. So you can pay maybe 100, 200 upon, like, according to your wish. So you can pay whatever you want, and then you have to answer this question. So again, you can take the help of chat gpt, or you can just search this question on Coursera. You'll get sample answers, and then you can modify it according to your own need. Then you have to agree to their terms and condition and click on the review button, and correctly after 16 days you will get a mail on this review application that your application for this course has been approved, and then you can like take this course and can get the certificate and all the course materials and lectures for the free. So yeah, that's it about the video guys. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, do hit the like button, and I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.